It's a fact. Creating puzzle books for KDP is your gateway to a thriving business. A quick YouTube search reveals that this niche is incredibly lucrative. In fact, it's emerging as one of the best ways to start generating income on KDP. Why? Because the demand for quality puzzles is very, very high. And if your content is top-notch, your audience will keep coming back for more and more. This niche provides an ongoing audience to create new content for. And that's why it's proving to be the perfect KDP niche. If you're interested in learning more about this profitable KDP niche, AI Puzzle Power is your best guide to designing, publishing, and monetizing AI-generated word puzzles. Explore the psychology behind word games. Learn how to identify your target audience, how to choose the right puzzle type, where to find the best puzzle-making tools, monetization strategies to maximize your profits. Create profitable puzzle books on KDP, your gateway to success and more. Join the puzzle revolution. Grab your free copy of AI Puzzle Power by clicking on the link below. And if you want to learn more about self-publishing and making money on KDP, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.